can think of one thing. I didn't take you for a prankster, Pinkie Pie.
Are you kidding? I love to pull pranks. It's all in good fun, and Pinkie Pie loves us to have fun.
You know, Pinkie Pie, you're not as annoying as I thought. You want to hang out?
That'd be like really. Would you?
A simple nod will do.
Mm-hmm.
Is she even home?
I don't know. She's gonna be cold.
There she is.
Hmm.